Hey everybody, today we're going to be making some arrows which are really nice for your decor. In my case, I'm going to be using these as a decoration for Valentine's Day or for the month of February. I grabbed these heart grapevines from the Dollar Tree, and I also grabbed this pack of dowel sticks from there as well. I received these feathers from one of my subscribers. Thank you, Nancy, so much. She went ahead and sent these to me and asked me to make a craft with them. So I'm going to incorporate these into this project. We're going to place a little bit of glue on there and then attach the dowel stick right on to the heart. And the heart is going to be considered the fletching part of your arrow. Next, we're going to go ahead and try with the feather. Same thing, we're just going to put a little bit of glue and glue the feather on there, and that's going to be the fletching of this arrow. For the fletching ties, I used a little bit of this gold string that I had and went ahead and wrapped it around there and then put a little dab of glue to hold it in place. Super simple. That is very fast, I know, but next we are going to work on the arrow point. For the arrow points, I cut out a few hearts and then spray painted them black. You can spray paint or acrylic paint them whatever color you want. And then I put a little dab of glue for one side, and then for the other side I grabbed another one of the hearts and attached it as well. I had two choices for how I was going to complete this arrow point, and I was thinking maybe I should just leave it open like this, or which I decided to go ahead and put a little bit of glue on the sides and then pinch it together. And I did have to hold it because the moment I let it go, it would start to spread, and just hold it on there just a little longer so that way that glue dries. And I went ahead and grabbed a jar, and I tested it by putting either the ring on the jar or without it. I think it looks great both ways, but this is the finished product, and you can place it wherever you'd like, on your table, on your side table, or maybe on your desk at work. It's up to you, but I think it's a nice, simple, elegant little decoration for Valentine's Day. And I went ahead and placed some yarn hearts next to it just to add to the decoration. Also very simple. If you're interested in making those, please check out my channel and look for the thumbnail where it shows the super simple yarn hearts, which are really super simple. Both of these projects are really cheap to make and really easy to make. As always, thank you so much for returning to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping in. Please consider subscribing.